Hello, hi, welcome to this video. Today we're going to talk about the shape of the Earth. We know some people believe it's flat.
That's not the shape.
And the others say no, it's a globe.
That's the shape.
But today I present you another model. It's actually a dome. It's more of a dome. And okay, so and the sun and the moon are not above here like flat earthers say. No, they're not. The sun, this is the moon, it orbits around, and then here this is the sun. It's bigger than the earth, and its orbit is sort of like this. So first you might be like, well, what about seasons? How do seasons happen? Well, first this is our dome earth. This is our sun. Well, the sun is, in reality the sun is much bigger, but we'll just draw it like this for now. And yeah, this is the orbit that the sun goes around Earth, but this orbit keeps changing. Why? Let's use this color. The orbit doesn't get smaller or bigger, it just, there's a degree, it changes in degree. That's gonna change, be like this. Okay, now we'll use this color. Okay, so when it's like this, more sunlight will reach here. Okay, more sunlight will reach here, and here will be summer, while here it's further away, it's going to be winter. And this will destroy the North Pole here. So if you don't know, the North Pole, 6 months day, 6 months night. Well, this is when it's going to be what? 6 months day. What this, when it's furthest away, not furthest away actually, when it's like this, the orbit is around this, here will be closer. So here will be summer, while here will be winter, and the North Pole won't receive any sunlight, so it'll be dark everywhere, well, night everywhere. But yet, being not night, I mean that the sun is not there, but and if it's night, the moon isn't always there. It's just that there is no sunlight. What the globe earthers believe, okay, the globe earthers, yeah, this is the North Pole. It's really similar to reality. I mean, what I said. I mean, yeah, here reaches sunlight, boom, boom. Here, winter, northern hemisphere winter, southern hemisphere summer, and then the Earth orbits around here, boom, boom. Then again, here will be night, summer, northern hemisphere, winter, southern hemisphere. And the thing they say, which they really copied from me basically, is the orbit change. What do they do? What they say to you is that this is the sun, this is the earth, and yeah, this is the earth's orbit, but it's elliptical, it's not a perfect circle, but then it changes like changes slightly. This is the globe earthers say, which in reality they just took what I said and applied it to their own theory. Okay, let me just I forgot how long they said this takes. According to them, this for the orbit of the Earth to change, it takes around actually I don't know. Yeah, well, we'll forget about that. And you might say, oh, okay, and you might say, what about gravity? After what gravity, it would go into the middle. Everything goes into the middle according to gravity. Well, to this I say, this is the Earth, this is the globe, the Earth. It moves up, and this is moving up. We stick to the ground. So yeah, this is, I mean, even some flat earthers use this argument, and not really original there, but hey. And you might say, oh, but okay, yeah, wow, these are interesting, but what about the years? How did the years happen? Because because this is the dome Earth. The cause of gravity is, well, it's going up, but it's not going around the sun anymore. So wow, how the gravity, I'm sorry, how the years, I mean, well, I told you, right? This is the sun's orbit, and then this is, and then its orbit changes like this, right? This is what I told you. Well, when the sun goes from here and then that here, when one movement, when it goes the other way, I don't really know how to say it. Yeah, you know, a full cycle, it goes here then comes back here. It's a full cycle, and that's basically New Year's. Yeah, that's how the years work. Yeah. Another thing I've seen some people say, this is my model from above. We're looking at it from above, so it looks like a circle. You might say, well, since this is flat, the distance from here, going from here to, let's say, here, will be longer than the distances set on the globe Earth map, so we need a scale. And yeah, this only looks longer, but it's not longer. Okay, let me explain you how. So, you know, globe earthers like to ramble about gravity, gravity this, gravity that. So because of gravity, when people go to the ISS, the International Space Station, they get what? They get taller. Why? Because this is their backbones, right? The Earth will not push them to the ground, so this space will be made between them, and then they become taller. And this, now let's tell you what I propose. The Earth, this is the globe, wait, not the globe, sorry, the dome. Okay, here will be, from here to here will be what? Longer than the globe Earth map, but it only looks longer, like I said. Why? Because Earth bends space. Okay, so going from here to here will be the exact same length. That's why they appear longer. People appear longer on space. Why? The further, so the earth bends space and things become shorter, and so that's why when people go to space they become taller. The effect of this bend will be less on them. Yet the farther away you go from the earth, you get taller. But then of course there are other objects in the sky that yeah. So let's say this is the globe Earth, okay? I'm standing here. So you know the Earth's core is really hot. This is the Earth's core. Ooh, hot, really hot. Every 100 meters we go down, 100 meters we go down, the temperature rises by 3 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what's up with that? How does the globe Earth explain? How does the sorry, I said globe Earth. How does the dome Earth explain this? Before explaining you that, I need to show you something else. Let's say I have this is a bowl. Okay, no, this doesn't look okay. This is a bowl, and we got some fire in here. So we want to warm up some water. Okay, to boil some water, and we know this happens. The hot water goes up and the cooler water goes down. This is exactly what's happening with what the dome Earth. This is the dome Earth. Remember I've told you it goes up, and the air, let's use this color for the air. No, this one is better. The air gets below the Earth and the pressure here rises. Higher pressure, the higher temperature. So what happens is the hotter air goes up. Since here the pressure is high, the temperature gets high, and yeah, every 100 meters you go down, 3 degrees Celsius, temperature rises up. So, you know the thing that flat earthers cannot explain? This is a ship going down, and it keeps on. This is a ship, and when it's going away, we see it's what? Going down. It doesn't disappear. Why? Because it's going down. And yeah, this also happens in the dome Earth. So because the Earth is a dome, it also has that curve to it, and yeah, this also happens there. So what do we get from this video? It's that the Earth is neither a globe or flat. It's a dome. It's continuously moving up. The sun and the moon around it. Flat earthers are idiots. Okay, let's see, this is the flat earth from above. They say, oh, the sun is here. Then this is summer for hemisphere. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. This is retarded. The sun is not above the earth. This is the sun. Okay, this is the sun. Yeah, this is the moon. Like this. So yeah, these monkeys will tell you like this, oh, the flat earth, but yeah, this is wrong. Bullshit, do not believe this. Believe what I said, but believe what I tell you to say. Believe what I tell you to believe. Sorry, yeah. Believe what I tell you to believe. Okay? And yeah, the video is done. Again, you've learned something new, of course, and see you next time.